Hello everyone, welcome to Nuanji. Today we will introduce you how to install the portable EMS sculpting machine. Before we have clients ask feedback to us, don't know how to install it. So now we will take a video to you. There is a carton included the package. Now we can open it to see what it have. Inside it have a user manual for the portable EMS sculpting. You can read it about how to use. There has two-piece different size for the belt. When you treatment, we need use this to stable the treatment area. It have 5 pieces totally, and for this part, you can see it is the part of the working hand. When we install it, we will use it to stable the working hand. Here is the plug of the machine. We have the UK and the American plug according to your country demand. Here is the support of the handle. Now we can install the two working hand to support the handle. For this one, on this part. It's very easy, and if you are lady to use this machine, it's also very simple for you. Now we can use this stable of the handle. Open it to install this part, these 3 parts. Now we can open this package to install on this part. It's very easy to. From this part, you can install here to stable it. There is different size, so you can use the big one in behind of the machine. For the small one, such as this part, you can install the last 2 working hand. Now we can start install the first working handle. We can contact for the handle. Now it's contact wheel. We can block the beside of the handle. Okay, it's finished. Now we already installed wheel for this portable EMS sculpting. Now we can open this machine to show the interface. Here is the button of the handle of the machine. Wait for a moment. The password is 60. Okay, now we can start to use this machine.